Free Tips channel.
Hi viewers, how are you all? Hope you all doing well. Today I am back with an amazing cashback offer of minimum 360 rupees for an account by paying simply 5 different bills. Yes, you heard it right. By just paying 5 different bills you will get minimum 360 to 500 rupees per account. Means if you have 5 accounts and if you complete this offer in 5 accounts, then you will get 2000 rupees. Do you use Mobikwik payment app? If you not using Mobikwik app, download it from the link given in below description and get 20 rupees cashback. To get 20 rupees cashback, you must install Mobikwik app using below link, and then after linking bank account, you must send minimum 25 rupees to any UPI or QR or bank account or mobile number. This offer named Jackpot Rewards is currently active in Mobikwik app, in which you will get minimum 360 rupees plus 100 super cash by just paying 5 different category bills. Before to know more details about this offers, please support me by subscribing to my channel and clicking on bell icon so that you will get instant notification of all my future posts. Mobikwik payment app now running this Jackpot Rewards offer. If the offer not visible in your app, update the app to the latest version and then open. In this offer, 5 levels are there and each level will complete by paying any single bill. For completing 5th level, you will get 200 rupees cashback. For completing 4th level, you will get 100 rupees cashback. For completing 3rd level, you will get 50 rupees cashback. For completing 2nd level, you will get 10 rupees cashback. For completing 1st level, you will get 100 super cash. In addition to these cashback, you can apply, if any coupons applicable on particular bills. To know applicable coupons, watch full video without skipping. The advantage of this offer is you can pay any bill as your bill by shuffling at each level till 5th level. You need to pay any one bill at each level from the available list of 7 bills till 5th level. The available list of 7 bills are: recharge a mobile of minimum 150 rupees, pay electricity bill of minimum 150 rupees, book LPG cylinder of minimum 700 rupees, recharge DTH of minimum 200 rupees, pay insurance premium of minimum 4000 rupees, pay piped gas bill of minimum 1000 rupees, pay 2000 rupees rent to your landlord. You can pay any one unique category bill among these 7 from 1st level to 4th level by shuffling upon your bill's availability. Daily 2 bills counts or 2 levels completes in this offer. You can easily complete first 3 levels as if you have any mobile recharge of minimum 150 rupees, electricity bill of minimum 200 rupees, LPG cylinder booking of minimum 700 rupees in this offer. And you need to do any one of either DTH 200 rupees recharge or piped gas 1000 rupees bill or insurance premium 4000 or pay 2000 rupees rent to your landlord of yours or friends in groups. This 4th level gives you 100 rupees cashback plus applied other coupon cashback, so you can do it by giving discount to others. Also you can pay others' credit card bills if you don't have any credit card to complete the offer. Many users need these bill payment in groups, and by completing this you will get 200 rupees cashback as jackpot. One more advantage of this offer is, you can pay bill or recharge using any payment mode like wallet or UPI or any card. You can also use mixed payment modes like wallet plus UPI to get cashback. Not only you can use MobiKwik UPI, you can also use other apps like Paytm or PhonePe or Amazon UPI also to pay these bills, and you will get cashback without any problem. This offer is active till 31st March 2024. So if you're not aware of it, just check your MobiKwik app and start paying the bills each one by one as you get. So start paying all these 5 bills using MobiKwik and get assured 360 rupees cashback plus 100 super cash, and also get additional cashback by applying particular codes of the specified bills or recharge. Like thus pay thus for mobile recharge. These coupons changes from time to time, so check what coupons active before paying any bill or recharge. Also for particular coupons, MobiKwik changing cashback also, so check valid coupons before paying. If you don't have any credit card, you can use this offer and get minimum 160 rupees easily by completing 4 levels. Once you completed each level from 1st to 4th, you need to pay credit card bill of minimum 10,000 rupees to get 200 rupees cashback. The 5th level, which is the last level of this, only completes by paying 10,000 rupees credit card bill and no options to shuffle at this level. The following extra coupons you can use for extra cashback in this offer. For mobile recharge, use 10PE10 code. For first LPG cylinder booking in MobiKwik, use LPGNEW code. For first electricity bill, use Bijli new code. For first DTH bill, use Flipkart coupon using super coins of 25 rupees cashback. For credit card bill, use Flipkart coupon of 75 rupees cashback on 10,000 rupees bill. So by using these coupons you will get 100 plus rupees extra cashback. Means you will get nearly 500 rupees for a single account if not done any mentioned bills in past. So start looting MobiKwik as many accounts as possible.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and press bell icon. Don't forget to like, comment and share.